You know, being a member of TRS, it has given me a great peace of mind. Nobody in my immediate family has ever held a job for a long term to draw, you know, retirement or anything like that. So the fact that if I do actually make it to retirement age and get to have retirement that's taken care of, it's something I'm looking forward to. Growing up, first 5 or 6 years of my life was bad. Abusive father. My mother left town, ended up in the women's shelter with my 2 sisters. So I started public school right here in Newton School District, my kindergarten and first grade year. Things got pretty rough. I guess teachers called my mom, and then her and a lady from the women's shelter picked me up, and then I moved in with them. Basically my whole life, educators, people at the school, they have been constant, they've been supportive. So I just wanted to do what I could do to emulate them. So that's what ended me being here. So we are fortunate enough in Newton ISD that we get to travel and compete. We have a build-off team that we participate in. We go to an event and they'll take a pile of metal and construct a project. For example, the trailer behind you was this year's Houston Livestock Show trailer build-off. Right now, they've had the contest 3 years. They have 20 teams that participate, and we've won all 3 years in a row. So it's pretty exciting on that front. We started high school barbecue, I believe, about 5 or 6 years ago. We've always worked the concession stands on Friday nights. So in Newton, currently we have 5 state championships in football. We lost by 1 point this year in the state championship game. It was tough. But we cook food for Friday nights. We have barbecue pits out there. We make turkey legs and Zumos and sausage and hamburgers. It's kind of evolved from there, and we get to travel all over the state and compete in barbecue contests. 2 years ago, I believe, we had the World Food Championship in Dallas, and we actually had the grand champion high school barbecue team there. So it was pretty neat. You know, I watch 12 News every morning and see the Golden Apple once a month when it comes on, and I never even really thought about being recognized as that. But when I did, it was a big time treat.